Today I want to make a video on how to find the answers to today's Google Classroom assignment. A lot of kids turned it in and did really well, but some kids are having a little trouble, so I thought I would make a video. Number one, John needs to paint 2 walls. Each wall is 400 square feet. Based on the information on the graph, how many gallons of paint will he need? Well, if you look at the graph, you can see that on the left, on the y-axis is gallons, and down here at the bottom is the number of square feet. So 1 gallon will cover 400 square feet. 2 gallons will cover 600 or 800 square feet. 3 gallons will cover 1,200 square feet. And these ones in the middle are half gallons. That would be 2.5 gallons and 3.5 gallons. So it looks like to me, this line is pretty steady. Looks like to me that each gallon of paint will cover 400 square feet. All right. So if John needs to paint 2 walls and each wall is 400 square feet, well, that's 800 square feet. Well, if he needs to cover 800 square feet, he's going to need 2 gallons of paint. All right. 2 gallons is 800 square feet right here. 800 square feet is 2 gallons. 2 gallons. Number 2, Sue has 5 gallons of red paint. Based on the information on the graph, how many square feet could she paint? Well, I know some of you are having problems because there's nothing out here with the 5. All right, it would probably be it would be right here, but obviously that information is not there. But we don't need that. We already know that 1 gallon covers 400, and 2 gallons cover 800, and 3 gallons cover 1,200. So we can use that information to figure out that he can paint, or Sue can paint, 2,000 square feet. Because each gallon covers 400 square feet, and she has 5 of these. So 5 times 400 would be 2,000 square feet. Number 3, Sally's walls in her house are 1,000 square feet. Based on the information on the graph, how many gallons of paint will she need to paint 6 walls? So she has 6,000 square feet of walls that she's painting. Over here, I have the ratio strategy that we talked about this year. Okay, if 1 gallon of paint will cover if 1 gallon of paint will cover 400 square feet, then how many gallons of paint will cover 6,000 square feet? Okay. Well, I multiply 400 by 15 to get to 600. So I'm going to multiply that by 15. Okay. So Sally will need 15 gallons of paint. Okay. Again, this is the ratio strategy that we talked about in class. Next year, you're not going to set it up like this. You're going to start setting it up like this. 400 times a variable. This variable doesn't mean multiplication. This is a variable meaning the number of gallons, all right? 400 times x equals 600, 6,000. This is how you will set it up next year, okay? We're not going to talk about that now, but this is just the way right here to get you to start thinking about next year in 7th grade and 8th grade. Number 4, Joe wants to help Sally paint her walls. He has 1.5 gallons of paint. Based on the information on the graph, how much of the wall will he be able to paint? Well, he has 1.5 gallons, so he has right here. So he can paint 600 square feet of wall. Okay, so the answer to number 4 is 600 square feet of wall. That's how much Joe can paint. All right. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.